Hold on, let me see. So hold on, I'm gonna show you something really cool. So I'm gonna do is no wipe top coat first. Right, top. So you're using them all. So I'm gonna do a top coat first because I'm gonna do some cool stickers. Top coat first, it will help so much to grab all your sticker in one place, and there was this way it would not okay, here. If you use them all, you can't get it wrong. Yes, I think so. I think this one. And you know what? It's weird. Which one did you give it to me? This one? It looks like this one. No?
It's a big V with the 2 spread. As much spread you can. So that actually the closest one you have to it.
But this one, it looks different. But hey, it's so fun though. Look at that. So which one is the
It's the
two fish?
straw.
Right here.
Up there.
Right here. No, Pisces right there.
No, that's just 2 fish.
Yeah, this is
It
Pisces.
looks like it. You
No,
can use that.
this is
Right there. That's his spicy side.
no, it's not.
It is.
It is.
It is.
This is 2 fish, babe.
You can use that too. I don't mind. But yes.
Now it's getting me get a headache. Last time I was trying to. Was that right, Mika?
Yes. The feet.
This one is Pisces?
The one that looks like an H, that's a Pisces.
No.
No.
This is Pisces.
Yeah, that's your Pisces. That's a big H.
No, I mean, but what about this 2 fish though? Pisces right here.
People use it too. If you want to use it, you're fine. But yeah, the main one is a big H.
Gosh, see, I can't even know my size.
See, look at.
Yeah, it's a V. So it's this one, the closest one though.
Yeah,
But then I need the Zodiacs. This one.
Yeah, it should be the fishes.
But then, what about this one? It's also 2, right?
that is right. Yes, use that.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone
Like-
in chat, let us know.
Okay,
if she
so
won't accept it. Oh yes, she's right. Yep, the other one with the 2 circles is Gemini. It's not Pisces. Pisces is the 2 fish. The 2 bubbly thing is Gemini.
okay, is that one a Cancer? This one a Cancer?
No, the one you're holding is Pisces.
Oh my gosh. If you haven't watched one of the video we did it before, I don't know, I think it's Mama Vegan Dom. It was there too. It's like it's make us like headache. It's fun though. But all right. Oh hey, I should put all of the size in there. Then I never go wrong.
See, that the 2 thing is Gemini.
What are 2 things, Gemini?
Like the
Cancer. That's one is Cancer. They look like a 2 fish is Cancer. This one right here. It's Cancer.
It's Cancer.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that's Cancer.
What
That's not
is-
Gemini.
This
Pisces.
one,
Okay. So this one is Pisces and this one is Gemini.
Mm-hmm.
Yay, cool. So Kubarishan again, you got it right. Thank you.
This I'm telling you, after this live video, you're gonna have a headache like me. Let's see. It's cool though. I like that. I like the star
Yep.
though.
So we might do now, but we have no idea about Zodiac.
But hey, let's do some things fun like that. I want another one. You know what? You can put any size on it. It doesn't have to be Pisces, you know?
Thank you, Cuba. Probably you be our resident Zodiac expert.
Like this one. How do you do this one? This one, lay it like that? Or lay it like that? Okay. I'm gonna add so many cute things in here, much as possible. And then it's a super cute news sticker. I'm so obsessed with this.
Oh, so it looks like you have a golden Milky Way there.
So cool. And do fish. It's really cool though. It had the picture of it. Look.
They do. They just draw out the whole thing for you.
That is
Which
so
is nice.
cool.
And you want any of these stickers? They are available right now on glitzsuccessandsuch.com.
It's a whole set to 12 of them. If you're getting it, it's really cool, special price. Oh, what is the crap for?
You want a Cancer?
This one is that?
That's Scorpio.
So this is Pisces then? The
Yes.
two fish?
Yes, that's a two fish. You
It's
have
so
two fish together,
cute!
too.
These two fish are so cute though. Okay, that's one
I'll
is.
get back to nails now.
Okay, back to nails. So I'm gonna put, I think that's good. And add some star. You know, if you wanna do like, I see some stars right there. They're so adorable. It's hard to pick which one because they're all so cute. I'm gonna add some star on it. In the universe. I'm gonna save that spot for the charms. Tiny star. All right. You know what? Looks so adorable. If you don't want anything else, you'll definitely like can top coat it, but I'm gonna put the charms on it, and I am going to put on the side. Where's that at? Is this one right here? Condensed glue gel. When you get it, you can do whatever you want. It's really cool though, because I know it's a lot of you are so artistic and you get so many cool ideas on how you dress the nails for the Constellation. I'm gonna add it right here, but on to the nails, but right here I'm gonna put the charm. And then a wet top coat.
Hey, nail salon. Yes, if you want to shop, you go to our official website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com.
We have it linked right in the bio or right in the comments with pins for your convenience. All right, so I'm gonna add this one on. So this is the closest one I find for Pisces. This might be a right way or wrong way, I don't know, but it looks good like that.
Yes, it's the
Closest. And that's it.
If we did wrong, do let us know which side is that.
Some crystals. Can I put a star in there? It's so cool though. Maybe a big star here.
Right at the...
Right here? No.
No.
Don't.
Right at the intersection, the top, the tip.
Right here?
No, tip of the star.
Right here?
No, at the tip, right there.
Right here? No, don't worry
No,
about it. I do whatever I want.
Sure.
And I said,
Okay.
is it like, is it, wait, hold on. What? Okay, I'm happy. I'm not going to fix my Pisces. Like, you can fix your own constellation the